In this lecture, we will see one example problem relating to decimal to any other number system. So here the given problem is find the binary equivalent of decimal number, that is 42.9. So for any problem, that is, you have to take before point, you have to do the successive division, and after point you have to do the multiplication. So whatever the condition given in the problem, that means here the binary, you have to find the binary equivalent. So that means you have to do the multiplication with 2, and here also the successive division you have to do with 2 only. So let us see how to do the successive division and multiplication process. So before point is 42. So for 42 you have to do the successive division. So here we finding the binary equivalent. So binary equivalent, what's the corresponding value of binary here? 2, no? So with 2 I am taking the successive division. So when it goes to 2's 4's and 2 1's 2. So remainder is 0. Next, 2 10's 20 and remainder is 1. Next, 2 5's 10, remainder is 0. Next, 2 2's 4 and remainder is 1 here. So next, when it goes 2 1's 2. So remainder is 0. So whatever the value you doing with successive division, this should be less than this one. So 1 is less than 2. So up to here you can stop. So you have to take from bottom to up. So what's the value? 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is the binary equivalent of decimal number 42. Now we have to find the point after digit, that is 9. So that means we have to take as 0.9. So with multiplication process with 2. So 0.9 into 2, that is 1.8. So you have to take this one as like this. Next, so 1 is going to be take here, no? So we have to take 0.8 here. So 0.8 into 2. So what we get? 0.8 into 2, so 1.6. So again 1 is going to this side. Next to what we get here? So 0.6 into 2. So again 1.2. So 1 is going this side. Next again we got 0.2 into 2, that is 0.4. So this process is continuous. So 0. So this process is continue. You can truncate up to 2 values, 3 values or 4 values depending on the option given. So for multiplication process, you have to take from bottom to but for multiplication process you have to take from up to bottom. So for division process you have to take bottom to up. So for 0.9 what we got here? So 111.0. So 1110. Okay. So our problem is find the binary equivalent of decimal number 42.9. So 42 we have done, and 0.9, that means the point after 42.9. So after 0.9, no? So 9 we have done. So coming clubbing two answers here. So 42.9 is equal to, so this is the decimal number. So we have converted into the binary. So what we got for 42? So for 42 is 101010. So 101010. So for 42, and next 9, 42.9, no? So for this 9 what we got here? Point. So 42 is a binary equivalent. For 9, The binary equivalent is 1110. Okay, so this is the binary equivalent of decimal number 42.9.